Shane Gostisbehere dealing to Claude Giroux. Giroux, quick shot, save made, rebound in front, the pass, and Voracek scores! Nolan Patrick, spectacular pass in traffic. Voracek pounds it home. It's 1-0 Philadelphia.
A terrific job by the Flyers on the face-off win, and then the pass by Patrick, a thing of beauty. Not sure how he knew that Voracek was there, but you can see Patrick right off the draw head to the front of the net. Chris Terran just talking about that. He's in Wayne Simmons' office there, and through the legs, backhand touch pass to Voracek, who quickly points at the Flyers rookie and says, "Thank you very much." What a feed and a good finish from Voracek, and the Flyers have the 1-0 lead.
That's a heck of a pass. Heck of a play. I mean, just unbelievable through the legs. And you're right, I'm not sure who he had targeted.